Welcome back, guys. Here's the Super Duke in its current state. Have the fuel tank off, the air box. There's the valve heads are off, so you can see in there. And valve covers are off. Doing a valve cover gasket, new spark plugs. Also check the valve clearances. I might need one to ship. I'm gonna have a buddy come double check. The shock's out, the rims are off, all the crap is off. Took out the SAS system and the canister. Gonna get block off plates. Let's go for a rip and I'll fill you guys in. Welcome back, guys. Nice indicator on this CTS, because no one indicates in Calgary. Oh man, it went from winter to summer where I live. It's insane. Like, it was snowing, then it went to 20 degrees, which is like 70 Fahrenheit for my Americans, and now it's going to be snowing on this weekend, tomorrow. It's going to be like 0 degrees and snow, which is like 32. Where I live, man, our weather is messed up. We're on the way to pick up CB, that's what we're calling her, the B. I don't know, the girl. And have you guys ever seen or done this trick where you hold a passenger lid through with your arm? Normally I put it on my left side because the throttle is this side, but as you guys know, my arm is healing on the left elbow from my surgery 3-4 weeks ago, and yeah, I'm riding and it's insane. But have you guys ever seen this trick? It is like the dopest trick ever. I don't have a net. I don't feel like putting a net on the back of this bike. I don't feel like scratching up my buddy's paint work like I do on my R6 back in the day, so this is like the best trick ever. And we'll be back after this boring bit of stretch of freeway. Ooh, the super maneuvers by the R6 rider come out to play in today's Calgary vlog. Ooh, nothing like showing off to a female with those. Oh, got the stretch. Oh, he spots another fellow Yamaha rider right behind him. He thinks I am probably old because I haven't set up bike. I am old, guys. I'm getting so old. Yesterday we were working on a buddy's backyard, doing some raking and some rototilling and some stuff like that. And my goodness, I am not 21 anymore, man. I am sore all over. I woke up with blisters on my hands. It is just, trust me, getting old, guys, is not fun. Enjoy your youth. I'll tell you that right now. We got the downshift. We got the speeds. Using the right lane. I wonder if he's gonna come back across. Oh yeah, that is why bikers get a bad name. Douche maneuver right there, boys and girls. He's now back in the straight lane. He got literally 2 cars ahead. Ta-da! Look how far he didn't get. I love this. I got like an armchair right here. Yeah, I got a little armchair here. We're both so tall, so for everyone watching, CB is like 5'10", almost 5'11". And I'm 6'2", so it's like the tallest people ever on the same motorcycle. It's hilarious. Tall people for the win. She sold her bike, so what the hell, man? But it was for a good reason. You sold her bike for your house, to buy a house, so that's dope. But still, you need to get your bike back in your life, bruh. Press the thing and go recording, because it should get both our voices. It's one button, I just can't even do it. Okay, guys, so we're trying to get a dual record so you can hear her voice for the first time and also get the POV of the sexy snowcat helmet here. But she's like the most... Aren't you Asian? Don't you guys make this stuff? Yeah, oh yeah, you can't swear either because it's family-friendly content. Good thing we're not recording that because she's swearing her little mouth off back there. Are you even a lady? Huh? No problem. See, actually looked and she's off her phone. Most people just text and they go right across and then they wonder why they got hit. Let's just figure out the setup and we'll be right back.
Hello.
See how easy that is? You're just bad with technology.
I can't feel. It's my hands.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, get back on. Go for it. Okay. Oh, great impression. Yeah. All 800,000 subscribers.
Can you not put that in?
Oh, that's going in.
No!
All footage is here in property of Snowcat.
This is a bad first impression.
Ah, okay. Am I recording? Oh yeah, he knows me. What's up, brother? Okay, so my camera didn't get that. but yours did. And I think you can hear my voice right now in her camera if I got everything set up properly. Gadget nerd. And then 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bam! There's my camera. We should switch cameras. Look at that editing, guys. Oh, I'm like a master. A little sound clip here for you. Ooh, shots fired.
Hello.
And now I have to edit all this. So much work. Oh, whatever. It's all good. Oh, look at that bike. Interesting. That is a Ducati Hyper Shittard. I have a great mini history with that bike. Not one, but two. But we can't talk about it, so next topic.
I was gonna say, I thought there'd be more bikes out today.
Ooh. Vroom pop.
Spicy.
Spice. Oh yeah, got the snowcat lingo down.
I hope it doesn't sound like I have a lisp on video because my face is so squished right now in this helmet.
Yeah, it's been worn once or twice, I think, and it's the cheek pads are like nice and tight. They haven't been broken in yet, so.
But it feels nice, so it doesn't hurt my head.
Oh, it's perfect. So how was the first time using earplugs and the first time using an intercom? Next level, hey?
Different, yeah. Very different from my earbuds and my cell phone. I'll tell you that.
So tell everyone your first bike. What bike did you learn on?
I had a Ninja 300. A tiny little bike. It was very slow and very small. It was a nice bike though.
Let's go, people. It's getting so hot. Yeah, there it is, boys and girls. So that's called the Calgary Peace Bridge. I think it looks like a finger trap, and apparently we paid like lots of bucks for that bridge. Like a stupid amount of money, like $23 million. Was that what it was? Kids love the bikes. Ready? Big grin on his face. Oh man, I remember when I was a kid, I wanted a bike for forever.
I have a serious problem.
What's that?
My nostril is itchy.
Oh, open up the visor and get right in there. Dig right in there.
How?
Let's go like this. And then just go.
I have the other visor on too.
Oh, that's up top, the little button. Pop that.
The fuck? Ah, there we go.
We're gonna go find a mirror downtown to see how ridiculous we look. Tall people for the win, though. We can ride whatever bike we want. Bitches!
But these earphones don't block out snowcat.
Oh. Hey, you chose to be on the back of this bike. You could have said no.
True, but I don't have a bike, so no choice.
Okay, so you have to put up with my voice to get on the back of a bike. I see how it is. Look at it used.
We are at the place of my people.
Yeah, your people. Chinatown.
I'm not Chinese though, by the way.
Yeah, but it's called
My
Chinatown.
people.
Close enough.
We all look the same.
Yeah. Just like white people look all the same too. Oh yeah, Crescent Hill is like the place to be if you're trendy. Oh, it just rhymed.
Honestly, I thought there would be more bikes out.
Yeah, if we go Shell on 17th, they're probably there. They're just sitting there. I call them the Shell's Angels.
What's the point of riding if you're gonna leave it in one spot? Yeah. Which one's your buddy's house? Down there, right?
Go around this guy.
Would you want a house up here? If you weren't living in LA and you were staying in Calgary, I mean.
No. They're nice older houses, but no. All the events that happen along this road and all the people that come here, I'm like a get off my lawn type of guy as I'm getting older. Like maybe back here would be nice because these houses are a little bit more, what you call it?
Away from
yeah, exactly. But right on the main drag here, like people like me come by with their loud bikes, like I'll just be like shaking my fist out the window.
I can see that.
Old man snowcat already, you know?
I can't even pay attention. Your big head's in my way.
You got a big head too, the helmet on, so there. Go, you got so much room. Go. 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 Oh, I should have just hit that guy. See, Snowcat's is a nice road user. Right?
Right.
It sounds so believable.
Right! My favorite cafe is down here.
The Cat Cafe?
No, Vendome.
Oh, this guy's on his phone. Oh, there it goes slow.
He's doing that on purpose.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Snowcat.
Dude, I can see you on your phone. You're texting from the cup holder. He's still doing it.
It was so funny. There was like 15 to 20 people last night. Everybody got a cocktail, and I had a beer. I'm like, I would have never did this before you.
What have I done?
You make me drink beer. Well,
Beer.
I like the beer now.
You had like one beer choice, Budweiser. No wonder you didn't like beer that much.
I like Velvet Fog. I get Velvet Fog every time now because everywhere has it.
It's one of my favorite beers for
I feel
sure.
like I'm talking with a lisp.
Yeah, well, your cheeks are being pressed. Who stole my car?
It's too dirty to be your car.
That is a good point. This is where I got my surgery done, right in there, and you know that because you picked me up.
And dropped you off.
Yep.
And waited 6 hours.
Because I had to go. Because they wouldn't let me leave until I went to the bathroom. That was hilarious. Because it's a complication after surgery. You have to go to pee, or else they do a catheter, which is sticking something right up your you know what. And I didn't want that, so.
That would have been funny though. If you made me wait 1 or 2 more hours, I would have stuck it in there myself.
Oh, yeah. I like how caring you are. It's so nice. Alright, so her camera died because the Senate 10C apparently with intercom and recording, it's not the longest battery life. So that's the end of that video. We're just going to ride around now, finish the day off.